Hi and welcome to the third video in a series of 4 dealing with weight loss. Now in the last 2 videos we've spoken about diet and exercise, both very important aspects of fat burning. But today we want to look at something that I suppose is less known and not as well focused on, and that's nutrition. And when I mean nutrition, I'm talking about specific vitamins, minerals or amino acids or other substances that help your body burn fat really effectively. Now a lot of people go, I don't need to take a multivitamin, I can just exercise and I can just diet. And for some people that works really well. But if you've been overweight for a fair few years and you've had a diet that's basically white flour products and takeaway foods and takeaway plastic hamburgers and diet colas and soft drinks and all those sort of things and crisps and lollies and chips and chocolates, your body, I should say, is going to be deficient of certain nutrients. So let me explain. If we take brown rice as a good example, now you can get brown rice and you get white rice. So when people have brown rice, it's full of a whole heap of nutrients and vitamins and minerals. It's like basically a little multivitamin. So what happens is your body eats the brown rice and it breaks away all the nutrients and it goes, oh okay, to break this down we need magnesium, B1 and chromium. So it uses those nutrients and other nutrients to help break down the food that you've just eaten. And then it puts the rest of the nutrients into various parts of the body so they can function properly, and any leftover go to, say, like a big storeroom, a big warehouse. So when you eat white rice, it is void of all vitamins and minerals. It's what we call a nutrient dead food. And I'm just picking on rice here, but you know, you've got white bread, brown bread, anything that's white or refined is nutrient dead. Right? White sugar, any sugar product, any white flour product, white bread, donuts, cakes, biscuits. So what happens when you eat that white rice? The body goes, hang on, I still need magnesium, B1 and chromium to break this rice down. Where am I going to get it from? So it goes, oh, okay, I've got some in the storeroom. So it runs up to the storeroom, grabs those vitamins and minerals and brings them back and it uses them in the digestive tract so your body can break the food down very effectively. The problem occurs if you have that diet day in, day out, you have that white type diet day in, day out, your body becomes void of all those nutrients. So the next time that your little workers go up to the storeroom and say, oh, I'll have some B1, magnesium and chromium, the storeman says, ain't got any, none there, all gone. And they goes, well, where can I get it from? And the storeman says, well, you can try the bones. They may have a bit of magnesium, or you can try, no, the pancreas hasn't got any chromium, it's out, so you're most probably not going to balance your sugars properly. So it runs off to the bone and it takes all the magnesium out of the bone. But then all of a sudden, if it keeps on doing that for years, guess what you get? Osteoporosis. Not a good thing. But you might also suffer from muscle cramps and muscle twitching and insomnia and high blood pressure. Those are the things that, and stress levels and anxiety, they're the things that magnesium is very, very important for in your body. So if you're lacking those foods or lacking those nutrients because you've had that poor diet, you will need to supplement. So you will need to do that so your body can start breaking those nutrients down, your foods down properly, and start stimulating fat burning. Because in every single cell in your body, there is a little factory that burns fat. Now there is trillions of cells all throughout your body, right? Now that means you've got trillions of little fat burning factories, well, tongue tie there, fat burning factories working for you. Now to get them to work properly, you've got, within those factories, you've got half a dozen workers. So you've got someone that opens the factory door of a morning, and then you've got someone that switches on the machine and the lights, and then you've got someone that kind of puts all the fat into the big furnace to convert it to energy for the rest of the cells to use, and then you've got someone doing the QA, making sure it's going on properly, and then you've got someone that boxes that byproduct of fat burning into a little box and takes it to another part of the cell. If those workers aren't there within that cell, you won't burn fat in that cell. Now, if that happens in half of your cells throughout your body, you ain't going to burn fat. You can exercise and you can diet and you can try everything that you think possible, but if the basic nutrients that your cells need to burn fat effectively aren't there, you ain't going to burn fat. So those nutrients are your B group vitamins, lipoic acid, coenzyme Q10. They're all very important to help your body burn fat very effectively. Now you've got amino acids such as glutamine and arginine and carnitine. They all stimulate your body's ability to burn fat. So do the essential fats like your omega-3 fats and your linseed and your flaxseed, the fats found in that as well. All really important nutrients for your body to burn fat. You've got to look at it this way. The bloke upstairs wasn't an idiot. He went, okay, well, for the human body to function properly, I will give them all of these foods as found in nature. right? So I will give them the brown rice. I will give them the fruits and the vegetables and the nuts and the seeds. He didn't say, oh, rice, I'll give them a rice bubble tree. That kind of wasn't really on his plan. Man has come along and said, rice bubbles, or Cocoa Pops, or something made out of rice, really, really healthy for you. Or Wheat Bix, or white bread, nutrient dead foods. So you're basically starving your body. So you will need to supplement. Now, it varies from person to person, but the basic nutrients to help your body burn fat effectively is the ones that I've just mentioned. Your omega-3 fats, your B group vitamins, your vitamin C's, your vitamin D's, your amino acids, arginine, glutamine, and carnitine, all really important. But there's quite a few other nutrients out there in nature that help you burn fat effectively anyway. So if you'd like any more information on fat burning or weight loss, go to the website at the bottom of the screen. Until next time, this is Greg. Have a wonderful day.